Do you want to download YouTube video in laptop or PC? There are a few ways to do this, so it's worth watching all the way through. Each option works a bit differently depending on what you need, and you don't want to miss anything useful. For the first method, this part will be for downloading your own videos. After that, I'll show you how to download videos from other channels as well. Go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. Once you click your profile, open YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, look to the left side and click on Content. This is where you'll see all the videos you've uploaded. Find the video you want to download. When you see it, move your mouse over it, click the 3 dots, and you'll get a download option. Just click on it. Your video will start downloading straight away. When it's finished, you can open it and watch it on your computer by clicking this file icon. Now, let's go over how to download videos from other channels. First, search for the video you want. For example, I choose beneficial things, and I'm sure you subscribe. And choose a video from this list. Move your mouse over it, click the 3 dots, and you'll get a download option. Just click on it. If you see the download option, just click it. Just keep in mind, you'll need a YouTube Premium subscription to use this feature. It's a paid service with a monthly fee. After you click download, the video will be saved. You can press view to watch it, or go to the left side and open the downloads section whenever you like. That's it. Now you how to download YouTube video. Got any problem? Share in comment. Thanks for watching.